Well, the rainy season is upon us again. Yeah, even here in Southern California, we do occasionally get rain. And the rain never makes it easy for videographers like myself to shoot these swells, like the swell that we had on Thursday, December 21st. And that'll lead me to 7 things I noticed there at El Porto for this day of surf. Number 1, hey, we had good-sized waves again and offshore winds. Some of these lined up really well for the surfers to take full advantage of. And yeah, it was nice to see that the waves weren't just straight closing out again. Not as good as earlier this week, but hey, we'll take this. The second thing I noticed was there were way more empty waves than I'm used to seeing, especially waves that are just rolling, wide open faces down the line. And to top it off, this is all happening at one of the most crowded surf spots on the coast, El Porto. there's one that we are accustomed to is we've got more closeouts. There were closeouts. Lots of closeouts. Big closeouts. Small closeouts. Did I mention there were closeouts? Did notice something scary this day as well. I saw a surfer almost get stabbed by their fins. Look how close that was. Oh, gotta be careful out there. Anytime we have waves with size, we also get surfers doing some crazy kickouts. And I've also noticed Luke Davis properly using that doggy door. And the last one was that the rain came down and it dumped water. This happened really fast. It went from being dry to just boom, dumping water down. And yes, I did get caught in it.
Look how wet just the bag alone is.
Water on the camera. Luckily, they make these really well now. This is why I have that protective mat over my lens.
Now, I know what you're going to say. Yeah, it is dangerous surfing in this water. So I'm kind of excited to hear your comments about what different bacteria these guys are going to get. But hopefully all these surfers were flushing their sinuses, etc., cleaning out everything they've got on them to keep the bacteria out. It is Los Angeles. So there you have it. There's 7 things I saw there on Thursday, December 21st at El Porto in Manhattan Beach. Hey, thanks for watching. I'm Brad Jacobson, and I'll see you on the sand.